So my favorite dip to have out for many, many years, since probably about 2005, is Gloria's Latin Cuisine's bean dip that they put on everyone's table. It's been my favorite forever. I look forward to it if I know I'm going there. And I've looked for the recipe recently and I just cannot find one. I did find out though that there was a lawsuit over the recipe back in 2010. Either way, everyone I found, you click on it and it's not there. So what I did is I'm gonna try to do the best I can with it and see if it tastes like it. And we'll let my husband tell us if it does. First thing we need is black beans. You could use 2 cans and you drain them and rinse them, or you could cook a whole bag of them and drain and rinse about 3.5, 4 cups of them, and then put the others up in the freezer for another time. That's what you should do. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put these in here. 2 to 3 cloves of garlic that you've minced up, 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil, tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm sure lime would work too, but this is what someone recommended that was trying to recreate it. Then also they said white wine vinegar. I've got kind of a white wine vinegar, white Modena vinegar. That's all I had, so I'm hoping it works because I didn't want to go to the store just for one thing. A teaspoon of cumin. I think that's all that we have. It's about a teaspoon of cumin. Oh, well, some fell in there. And then a little bit of salt and pepper, about a pinch, just to taste. More salt and pepper. I want you to try it. Tell me if you think it's like Gloria's or what.
Very similar. It's pretty good.